M-121. We got some problems. Test her all out. And the actuating polish shot, and the wheel it's got to be stripped and cleaned. And a new actuating ball. They called it an action indicator on this model. These are kind of real tricky to take apart, these ones. Let's see, where are you? Okay. Take off all of the outer extremities first. That means you may as well start right from the get-go. Come on, kitty. Oh, actually, where's my tool? Use the darn tool, Randy, if you got the tool. Let's see if I can get room in there, can I? There we go. Easy peasy when you got the right tools. Yeah. Just finished one. It needed all wiring. I believe all of them need a touch of wiring and cleaning up inside. People love to grab these by the cords. I usually stick new plugs in there too, so they're extra strong. The last one was the worst one. Tackle the worst first. Get it over with. Where'd you go? Where's my other buckets? Give me one. A second. Well, they certainly don't make these anymore, or if they do, if anyone's got heads around shees with the solenoid, could be $3 to $5 grand. I'm not going to tell you what I charge. I got to see it first before I do anything. These I do at the moment $69 per machine plus parts. Quotes are free, but I got to see them. Quote the parts. When I saw these, then I was able to get a decent estimate. And that's completely shot. That's got to be gutted. Gutted and prettied up too. This goes to the, attaches the outer frame to the inner frame and the solenoid. I used to do a fair amount of these heads. And they stopped making them probably about 10 years ago, 15 years ago. You still get the heads and that stuff, but it's very expensive. Oh, yeah, that doesn't belong, so there you go. It's going to run smoothly. There you go. And she's dirty. She be dirty. She's a wee bit dirty. Absolutely. And just a little more. Needs good cleaning up. And a wee bit of a grease. Oh, I think I'm going to redo you. Wait a sec. If you test out, you test out. It might be still good. I might have had to do that last time. You were in. Okay. Definitely a trick. These things have to be on hard. Because they do the spring. And the spring is still in good shape. Okay. And loosen it though. You just grab, twist the plate just a hair. Oh, come on, come on. Because these are crazy. They crazy get tight on. They're on tight. Let's see if I can move you. Be very careful because you don't want to stab yourself doing this. There we go. There we go. So hard to do sometimes. It's just not fun. Not funny at all. Come on, kid. Ba-bang, 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 ba-bang. This is a pretty brittle spring. It's only meant to go up and down, as funny as that seems. I saw these snap in half there. Then, you know. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, still good. Lots of torque. You, my friend, are dirty. Very. Oh, you've done a few miles. Whoa, have you done a few miles? Okay. Yeah, I've done a few miles. Oh, a little bit of wear, a wee bit of wear. A wee bit of wear. Billy. A wee bit of wear. Yes, you have. A little bit of wear. You can see some filings and that stuff there. Other than that, you look good. Just runs through the electromagnet, runs a pulse, hammers the head down, and releases. Very simple. Solenoid is a solenoid. Okay, you may be missing some screws. Wow, that is not funny. Everybody's got a... Okay, where are we? Where's my little... Where? Nope, don't do that. Definitely a modification. So not the right screws, but there you go. You've done some wear, my girl. Let's get these out of here. And then. Sometimes you have to actually tighten them before you release them to break the Mr. Blue goo. Screws are pretty fattened heads. You do it when it's already screwed in. No, it's in good shape, all good shape. Everything else. The main part of it that makes it count, the actuating pole, was fried. Which happens. It's been years, I think 3 years, since I repaired machines from this gentleman. and usually he has about 5 or 6. They're not very. I probably know about 5 or 6 customers seriously still using them, and the odd one now and again. Well, no. It's wild. Someone put inserts in these. Interesting. That must have been a tricky job. I haven't done it before, but okay. Now let's dissect you, mister. Ooh, we had paper mushed up in here. Not good. Might have helped to the uneven pressure. Wow, that did a few impressions for sure. Alright. What else do we got here? Yeah, you're friggin' bound. It's bound, see? See, this not working. That means these are not turning either. Okay. Magic stuff. First is to free up the wheels, because you'll never get the shaft out if you don't free up the wheels. So that tells me this was not oiled for a very long time, and that's why everything broke down. Slowly try to move the gears independently. See if they will work first. There you go. One moving, and I can use that to kind of squeeze the others. Trick. Very gently. Just move them, separate the wheels there here just to let the oil in between. Okay, now that should be a little smoother. Should bent out of whack. You are. Oh, this shaft is nasty, dirty. Ooh. Okay. Again, there we go. One starts. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Just get them to move a bit. Oh my God. There we go. Wheel up and please move. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes. Come on. Gotta get some oil in there. There we go. There we go. That's much easier now. For what I have to do. Okay. Lightly. Okay. And the shaft is just rusted. Lots of rust. There we go. No nicks and no nicks or dicks. Nothing. You're still good. You just rusted. Okay. Take you out. Where are you? Perfect. Again. This is where I give it usually a good spray. Let it set for a sec. clean everything on the wire brush. And by hand I pick out all of the stuff that's lodged in all the parts, the ink, the matter, the paper fiber builds up over years. So nice. I'll be back.
Yep.